Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast.com. If you are new here, do not forget hit that subscribe button and for more amazing home decor tips and design inspirations. Today we are talking about the super visibility piece of furniture that's make your wave in a modern interior nesting tables. Whether you are live in a spacious home for a cozy apartments, nesting tables are the fantastic way to save your space while adding some serious style to your living room. Nesting tables come in the all sorts of designs or minimalistic to elegant. They have some amazing or most stylish functional nesting table designs ideas that can be truly elevate your living space. Starting off with the number of modern minimalistic designs. These are the all about the clear lines, simple forms, or a natural tone like white, gray, or black. Perfect for contemporary home, they blend with the seamless with the almost any decor style. This set here is made of tempered glass and metal, which gives a light and airy feel, but it's still durable enough to handle daily use. Next up, we have the rustic wooden nesting tables. For those who love the more natural, earthly vibe, and these tables are perfect. Even they are often feature reclaimed wood, giving a home touch of warmth and character. Look how these wooden nesting tables are add a warmth to your room. They are ideally for the cozy cottage and the farmhouse aesthetics, apparently with a pair of with the other wooden or a vintage pieces. Coming at the number of three is a bold and aesthetic nesting tables. These are the advantage decorative to all of you loves mix colors, patterns and the material. They can bring a pop of natural and personality to your any space. Check out these funky set of geometric patterns are vibrant colors are perfect for the bohemian or aesthetic living room where currently you have. For those who are prefer simple yet cozy look, chandelier inspired nesting tables are way to go. These tables are focused on light wood like oak or a pine with the soft pastel color or natural shades. These tables bring a calm, clear look for the room, and lighter wood finishing really make the space feel open and airy. Ideal for small apartment or minimalistic homes. And there we have it, some amazing nesting table designs ideas that can be fit any decor style, whether you are into the minimalistic rustic charm and bold patterns chandeliers, simplicity or luxury glam. Nesting tables are just not a space saving, but they are a statement. And which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And you, if you plan other nesting tables in your home, these ideas for you. Keep like this video, subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.